So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the top 52-week losers in regards to stocks and equities here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, simply go down to the bottom bar and press on the Discover icon or the search bar right in sort of the bottom middle. Once you're on the Discover screen, make sure that in the top left the Equity tab is selected. So for example, if the Options tab is selected or the Mutual Funds tab is selected, it'll be highlighted just like this. So simply just go to the top left here and press on Equities, making sure that it turns blue. Then just scroll down until you come across an option that says 52-week gainers and losers. Discover the equities with the greatest gains and losses in the last 52 weeks, or I guess calendar year. So gainers for right now is highlighted by having it with the blue underline. Simply just press on losers right beside it, just like this. Then press on 52-week losers to open up this screen, and there you go. Fairly straightforward, but that is how to view the top 52-week loser stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.